Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to add study material in your Google Classroom. With the help of these options, you can share your project report, grades and many more. So let's start as a demonstration. Open your Gmail account, open your Google Classroom. You can type here classroom.google.com and your username password and then enter 10 standard math. And here many options are available. I already explained everything earliest video. You can check this playlist so easily understand. So and then after click here Classwork and here options are available. After clicking the create options, several options are come and one options are available here material. So I click here. I am adding here first material syllabus and you can describe here. Otherwise you can add directly where exactly your material is stored, Google Drive, link, file or YouTube. So I click with file and directly search with my personal computer system where I exactly save this syllabus. So here is my syllabus, add and then upload. Add here topic also, material. So your student will understand easily, okay, their material, study material are available here. Go there and check, and then after all students are visible in only 10 standard math and then post it. It's very simple. Is here add more data in this material and then type here chapter and then add here. I select here. I have 1 2 3 4. You can add many more document file here. So I can add here 4 chapters and then upload. So all data are uploaded here in chapter math and which topics you want store this data. So as usual material and then post it. And look at this, math chapters are come, and after clicking this options, so several PDFs are coming here. So give you one more example, add material. So I type here resources for project and add here again file, upload. All data I access only my personal system, but you can upload this data in your Google Drive and all. So look at this project resources. I am not adding this material portion. So I click here one more time, view the material and then here edit, and after editing I add wherever I want store this particular project related resources. So I select here material and save. It's very simple. You can move very easily here and there. So I click here, I go with material. So look at this, the 3 options are enters in this material, project resources and all those things. I can give you one more example. You can add here your grades, your students grades. So check your grades, add file, upload, check your grades. They can easily access and check all individual grade. You can such kind of activity, you can print out this page and post it in your notice board, but no need for posted in your notice board your subject related grade. You can directly post it with the help of this material options. It's very simple and very helpful nowadays. Hope you like this video. You have any question related to Google Classroom, please comment me. I can give you as a better answer as soon as possible. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.